Ajiche Shazoyan. Like it's Chinese. Alright, I'm Shazi. You can call me Shazi. Yes. And I am the Canva instructor for the NeutralScope.com course called Canva for Beginner, Intermediate, and Advanced Designers. So this course is designed to equip you with the essentials to create stunning designs using Canva, a user-friendly interface, and also whether you are a marketer, an entrepreneur, or simply someone who wants to improve in their graphic design skills, this course will equip you with the essential skills that are needed to create professional-looking graphics, presentations, social media posts, and a lot more. You all may be wondering what Canva is. Canva is a versatile graphic design platform that requires no prior design experience. Whether you're logged into your mobile phone or your laptops, Canva gives you access to all their tools in order to use in designing. At the end of this course, you'll be able to master Canva's interface, that is, navigate the platform with ease and efficiency. At the end of the course, you'll be able to create stunning visuals, that is, design eye-catching graphics, presentations, and social media posts, including websites. At the end of the course, you'll be able to utilize Canva's templates, that is, customize pre-designed templates to fit your specific needs. At the end of the course, you will equally be able to apply design principles, that is, understand the fundamentals of design, apply them to your creations, and many more. You will equally be able to export your designs, that is, save your designs in different formats for different purposes. And lastly, you'll be able to integrate Canva with other graphic design tools such as Adobe XD and many more. Why learn Canva on NeutralScope.com? The first reason why you should learn Canva on NeutralScope.com is to increase your skill set. Nowadays, people need skills, they don't need certificates. Develop a valuable skill set that can be applied in several fields. Another reason why you should learn Canva on NeutralScope.com is to engage with your audience, creating visually appealing content that captures your audience, to boost your brand, that is, enhance your brand's visual identity. And the last reason why you should learn Canva on NeutralScope.com is to save money. Amazing, right? So you'll be able to create professional looking graphics without hiring a graphic designer. Canva is very amazing because it has a user-friendly interface. It has an extensive library full of templates. So it has an extensive template library. Canva is equally amazing because you can integrate it with other design tools, and also Canva has very affordable design pricing plans. Even if Canva is that amazing, it has some limitations that for advanced users, it's limited to customizations, and also Canva is very reliant on internet connectivity. So as a marketer, you'll be able to use Canva to create social media graphics, presentations, and marketing materials. As an entrepreneur, you'll be able to use Canva to design logos, business cards, and other branding materials. As an educator or a student, you'll be able to use Canva to develop engaging presentations and infographics. And for personal use, you can be able to use Canva to create invitations, posters, and other personalized designs. The gig economy and Canva. Who likes money? Who likes money? So, acquiring Canva as a skill on NeutralScope.com, you'll be open to various freelancing opportunities, offering several design services on different freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You'll also be open to e-commerce opportunities, that is, creating product designs and marketing materials for online stores such as Shopify. I make a lot of money from that. Alright, one more way in which you can make money from Canva is through social media management. A lot of companies such as CivilSalt need their work to be posted on social media so that people can know about it and be educated. And creating content on these using Canva can help you to make revenue and money. Learning Canva on NeutralScope.com is extremely good, and also combining it with other skills like digital marketing, video editing, photography, copywriting, e-commerce product design, web design, brand identity design, and widgets can improve your chances of making a lot of revenue online. These courses are also available on NeutralScope.com. As Henry Fisker says, if design is not profitable, it is art.